Jordan 1 Low in the Desert colorway. I purchased these sneakers February 17th for a retail price of $110. These come in your typical women's Jordan 1 Low box. But let's go and check out the size sticker. Here you'll see the official name as the Women's Air Jordan 1 Low in the Desert/Black Sail colorway. So let's go ahead and open these right up. The first thing you'll see is some white 23 tissue paper. And bam, here they are, guys. The Jordan 1 Low Desert, great colorway in my opinion. Gonna check out all the details this sneaker has to offer, starting with the midsole. We have your typical Jordan 1 midsole in a sail color, so it does give off an aged look, while the outsole is in that beautiful beige or desert color, which looks amazing. Definitely not a color you see every day. And when it comes to the uppers, it's only made up of two colors. We have that same desert color on all of the overlays and black on the underlays, but let's go and take a closer look starting at the front of the shoe. Surrounding the toe box is that desert or beige color in a leather material, and unfortunately the leather quality is just your typical Jordan 1 Low leather quality, which is not too great. You'll see that same color and material here at the quarter panel, up the shoelace hole, surrounding the entire ankle area down to the heel, and let's not forget at the very center we have that beautiful Nike swoosh in that same color as well. Surrounding the swoosh we'll see some black leather. Moving on to the back of the shoe, we get the Air Jordan Wings logo stitched in black, and just above that we do have a rectangular piece of beige leather connecting the two swooshes together. Moving on to the inside of the sneaker, it is identical to the outside, so we'll go ahead and move straight on into the toe box. These come with an all black toe box in leather, and as I mentioned earlier, the quality is just your regular Jordan 1 Low quality. These do come pre-laced with some beige color laces, and it is the only pair of laces these come with. We get an all black nylon tongue, and at the very top we have a Jumpman embroidered in that desert color. The sock liner is in that same desert color, and so is the insole. However, we do get a black Jumpman in that insole as well. The inside of the tongue is in a very puffy soft material in that beige color, and these sneakers were manufactured from August 3rd through October 1st. So now we're gonna go ahead and put both shoes side by side, give you guys different angles and lighting so you know exactly what you're getting if you do decide to go ahead and purchase these sneakers. Alright guys, here they are, the Jordan 1 Low in the desert colorway. All this footage is completely unedited, so what you see is what you'll get. This is such a clean colorway. You can wear these with basically anything, but let's go ahead and put them on feet and see what they really look like when wearing them.